tool nuts. With the tool nuts.
Chip from Character Hardwoods. Today I want to show you guys an upgrade I made to my shop when it comes to sanding, finish sanding. So for many years I ran sanders just like this with a bag to catch the dust, and it did a pretty good job, but you can see there's a lot of dust still on the sander, and it kicks up a lot of dust. So I went over to Berlin's looking for an upgrade, and this is what I came home with. Here I've got two versions of Festool's sanders. This is a 5-inch. Also purchased their vacuum, the CT26E, and the MIDI, which is a smaller Hepa Vac, which I use when I take out on a job. Goes nice in my truck. The CT26E is a little bigger. It stays here in my shop when I'm doing finish sanding. So you can see the vacuum is hooked right up to the sander, and there's actually holes in the sandpaper where the vacuum is going to pull that dust off my work. Take a look. This is the ETSEC 125. It's a 5-inch, it's smaller. I like it for doing detail work, but when I've got a big flat tabletop like I have here, I'll grab my ETC 150, and this is a 6-inch. Same thing, just a little bigger, and it works better on larger surfaces. I can also pull that vacuum off and plug it into others. My Bosch fits into my Bosch. I can get some vacuum going on that articulated saw, or I can use it as a shop vac, cleaning up my bench. Another feature I like about the Festool Hepa dust extractors is I can plug the tool into the vacuum, and then when I hit the switch on the sander, the vacuum will supply power to the sander and start both simultaneously.